Welcome to Topic 6, Plant Structures and Their Functions. While animals can move to find food and water, plants must be highly adapted to survive right where they are rooted. In this video, we'll explore the incredible biological engineering of leaves, the transport systems of xylem and phloem, and how plants respond to their environment. These concepts are frequently tested in high-mark exam questions, so let's dive in. Let's map out the core concepts. First, leaf structure is perfectly adapted for photosynthesis and gas exchange. Then we have two transport systems. Xylem carries water and minerals from roots to leaves, while phloem transports sugars from sources to sinks. Transpiration is the loss of water vapour from leaves, driving the transpiration stream. Finally, plants respond to light through phototropism, controlled by auxin hormones. Turning to our study notes. A leaf cross-section reveals several specialised layers. The waxy cuticle is a waterproof layer that reduces evaporation while letting light pass. The upper epidermis is transparent for light penetration. Below, the palisade mesophyll cells are tightly packed with chloroplasts to maximise light absorption. The spongy mesophyll has air spaces for efficient carbon dioxide and oxygen diffusion. Finally, stomata, usually on the lower epidermis, allow gas exchange and water vapour loss. Now let's trace the journey of water and nutrients. Water enters root hair cells from the soil by osmosis, because the cell sap has a lower water potential. Mineral ions are absorbed by active transport against the concentration gradient, using energy from respiration. Water then moves up the xylem vessels due to transpiration pull. The evaporation of water from leaves creates a suction force. Meanwhile, sugars produced in leaves are transported through phloem to growing regions or storage organs in a process called translocation. Let's work through a 6-mark exam question. To secure full marks, you need to describe each layer and explain how it aids photosynthesis or gas exchange. For example, the palisade mesophyll cells are column-shaped and packed with chloroplasts to absorb maximum light. The spongy mesophyll's air spaces allow carbon dioxide to diffuse quickly to cells. Stomata open and close to regulate gas exchange and water loss. Always link structure to function. Watch out for common mistakes. Students often mix up transpiration and translocation. Transpiration is water vapour loss. Translocation is sugar movement. Also, root hair cells take up mineral ions via active transport, not osmosis. Osmosis is only for water. For phototropism, remember that auxin moves to the shaded side, causing cells there to elongate, so the plant bends toward light. Examiners love these details. To wrap up, remember the leaf's layered structure and how each part aids photosynthesis and gas exchange. Know the difference between xylem and phloem transport. Understand transpiration as water loss and the transpiration stream. For roots, osmosis brings water in. Active transport brings minerals. Finally, plant hormones like auxin control growth responses such as phototropism. Master these and you'll ace your exam.